Well, hello. Today I'm here in Detroit at the abandoned AMC headquarters. This place was built in 1927 and has been abandoned since 2010. So yeah, not AMC like the TV channel, AMC, American Motor Corporation. So yes, once an appliance factory, and then in the 1930s merged with a motor company. So yes, let's dive in. Okay, so yeah, I'm now inside of the front part of the building. This section of the building is the oldest, and it was mostly used as an office building. But yeah, my goal is to see how high I can get to the top of that tower, if I can get to the top. Assuming it was a water tower. But yes, this was one of my big motivating factors to finally come to Detroit, is this building. Awesome, beautiful structure. Okay, good, there's some stairs. Obviously, I should see some new graffiti on this trip. Oh, okay. Well, that works. So, looks like next step is to go up this ladder. Okay. I'm sure I'll have many more ladders to climb before the end of this. Yeah, I see these kind of things in buildings. This is for an elevator. That thing back there, I haven't seen anything like that before. That's interesting. Okay, well. Oh, there we go. Oh, I almost walked past this. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's so dark in here. I almost didn't see that. Wow. That'd be a very cartoony way to go. Walk into a hole you didn't see. Okay, so. That's pretty cool. No. Oh, I guess we're. Oh, this ladder. I was gonna say, what the hell does that go to? Okay. Still sturdy. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is a pretty close-up shot, but yeah, this was a water tower. That's definitely confirmed. But now for the big one. This is the big ladder I gotta climb. I hope that ladder can support 300 pounds, because I weigh a little over 300 now. Gotta cut back. Anyway, so, yep. I guess I'll see you guys at the top. Okay, well, I made it. So I will not be stepping on that. Okay, well, awesome. Okay guys, I will see you down at the bottom. Oh, and finally I am back down. Wow. Holy crap. Yeah, I took my bulky leather jacket off for that. I could barely fit. I'm getting too big for this shit. Okay. Well, awesome. That was the goal. So, some looks of the lower portions. Ooh, awesome. All right, I'll see you guys below. All right, I'm finally done with all the ladders. I'm back. Well, I'm actually back on the roof, but yeah, hard part's over. So, yes, of course, I was just up there. Yeah, and that was actually maybe, I'm not sure, that was at least actually as dangerous as the Hawthorne Tower stairs in Cicero. That was worse than what I thought it'd be, but I made it. Definitely worth it. Definitely. I mean, this video alone makes the trip worth it to me. So I could be mistaken, but I believe this entire place is like 1 million square feet. I don't know if that's including like each floor, but this place is massive. Could be the biggest abandoned structure I've ever explored. It's very close, but I would not be shocked if this is the largest place I've explored. Oh, absolutely amazing. Yeah, originally this place made like refrigerators and appliances, stuff like that, but it merged with a automobile company in the 1930s, I believe. It might have been Nash Motors. But anyway, yeah, I'll get some looks of the lower portion. There's not much left. A lot of it is scrapped, but I'll get some looks and then I'll meet you guys at the front. Well, how dare you? But yeah, I'm actually back down in the office section. This is a floor I didn't show yet, but yeah, the scenery is quite different on this floor. As you can see, there are lots of TVs hanging from the ceiling, or what's left of the TVs anyway. Yeah, I just want to get a quick shot of this room. Lots of carpet on certain floors of this part of the building. That's interesting. And when I was climbing that ladder, I was legit worried I was actually going to tear one of my biceps because, yeah, that took a lot for me. Like I said, I currently weigh a little over 300. Well, I might have dropped a few pounds, but yeah, I definitely need to cut back. So I got some mirrors in this room here. Interesting. Okay, so I'm now going to cross over to the other section, and I will not be showing much here because lots of stuff is, as I said, scrapped out. I want to say it's 3 years after the place closed down. So in 2013, that's when most everything in this part of the building was scrapped. So yeah, there really won't be too much to see. But obviously I'll show a little bit. That's always kind of interesting. Oh, well, I mean, there's some stuff here anyway. This could be squatter territory though, with the furniture, but oh. Looks like I found the one interesting area though of this section. Well, you know what? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I forgot there's all the space between empty squares of space. So, yep, I'm in the old other section. Some fun graffiti over there. It's harmless, right? Oh, all right, guys, this is what a lot of what's left I haven't checked out yet looks like. So this video is, yeah, I already know it's gonna run very long. So yeah, awesome explorer. I'll see you guys outside. Alright guys, that will about wrap it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I sure as hell know I enjoyed this Explorer. Yeah, one of the largest and by far one of the coolest places I've ever explored. Already makes this trip worth it alone. So yeah, thank you guys always so much for watching.